What is up, guys? I'm Uriel Soto, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a video pop-up. Now, I'm pretty sure a lot of you have been probably having a lot of issues doing this. Now, there's one simple way to do it, and then there's kind of another way to do it, but the first way is actually involving just having a plain video image, and then people click on it and you get a pop-up. And then another way would be to just have a button where they click on and you get a video pop-up. Now that's probably what most of you are looking for, but I'm going to show you guys the first option, and then we can also go to the second option. So let's go ahead and actually edit this page. And if you guys aren't familiar with what I'm using Elementor. So, and I'm sure if you have Divi or any other theme, you can probably do the second option with Divi. Pretty sure if they don't already have that option where you can just create a video pop-up. But if they do, you probably wouldn't be here. So, and I know for a fact that they make it very easy to have a video pop-up on the pro version of Elementor. So, but I'm assuming most of you guys might not have the pro version of Elementor. So anyway, let me show you guys the first option that you guys can do. So let's actually remove this. And we're gonna go ahead and go and add a video. And instead of having just a video here, we're actually gonna create an image overlay. We're gonna do image overlay, and we're gonna do lightbox. Now obviously we need some sort of thumbnail here. So let's go ahead and choose a thumbnail. Let's see if I have any already. Okay, I'm just going to use this as an example. So this will be my thumbnail. And let's test this out. This is probably the easiest way to do it. If you guys don't already know how to do this already. And that's the first option that you can try. But if you're looking for an option where you want to have like a video pop up after you click a button, well, let me show you. Go to dashboard, and then you're gonna go to plugins. You're gonna go to add new, and at the top of my head I don't know what it's called, but just look up pop-ups or pop-ups, doesn't matter. I'm sure it's somewhere around here. Let's see, pop-up maker. Definitely not that one. Last time I remember it had a lot of downloads. Let's go ahead and go into the second page. Sorry about that. I should have probably... I might just cut the video here until I find the plugin. That is so weird. Pop-ups. Here we go. Wow, pop-up maker. Sorry about that. Totally forgot the name of it as well. So it's called Pop-Up Maker. Just go ahead and click install now. Activate it. Okay, so once you have the Pop-Up Maker installed, you're gonna head over here and you're gonna click on add a pop-up. And we're gonna call this video pop-up. And then we're gonna go ahead and grab a video. So let's go ahead and grab our example video here. And you can just paste a link regularly, doesn't matter. They'll end up creating a video for you, as you can tell. So you'll be fine there. And then we're gonna be creating we're gonna add a new trigger, okay? So we're gonna do click open, add that in there. Let's see, cookies name, we don't really need that. Let's name this pop-up. Okay, add. Alright. Now that should be fine there. Okay. And then let's go to, I don't really deal with targeting. You can do this if you want. You can add some conditions, but that's fine. We're going to go to display and we're going to choose theme. So I'm going to go with the hello box. And then I'm going to go ahead and actually edit the theme. It actually might be the light box instead. So you know what? We'll go with the light box instead. The sizing, Should be around 60. That's usually where I have it at. If you want to add some sort of like pop-up animation, you can. But that's usually where I have it at. The main thing we want to focus is the theme of it. Okay, so let's click publish. Now let's go ahead and go to pop-up theme, and remember we chose a lightbox theme, so this is the one that we want to choose. So here's an example, right? Now we can go ahead and try this one already. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and just off the bat, let's try this one. Let's see how it looks. Okay, we didn't really need to save that, but well, I saved it anyway. So anyway, let's go ahead and go back. Go to all pop-ups. All right. And let's go ahead and copy this right here. It's called Pop Make 43. Let's go ahead and copy that. Let's go to Pages. Let's go to Edit with Elementor. Let's go to this button, and we're gonna make this button. Into a pop-up video. So let's go ahead and go to Advanced. Go to Class, just paste it in there, that's fine. Click Update, and let's try this out. Now as you can tell, that's that does not look good, right? We have that ugly background, and it doesn't even fit. It really does not look great. Okay, so let's go ahead and fix that, okay? So let's go back to Dashboard. Let's go to the pop-up. Let's go to pop-up themes first of all. So let's go to Edit Lightbox. And opacity. Let's see. That's fine because we actually do want to keep it kind of dark, so that's fine. We want to definitely remove the background. Sorry, so just click Clear. And we definitely want to remove this border as well. So let's go ahead and remove this border. That shouldn't make a difference anymore, so we remove that. Drop shadow. Let's go ahead and remove that drop shadow. So let's go ahead and remove that. And there you have it. You should have something around the lines, something looking like this. Okay. Now click Update. Now let's go ahead and see if that worked. I have like a bunch of tabs here. Let me close these tabs over here, and then let's try this out. Okay, well that's a little better, but now we have this little exit box all the way over here. So we want that about over here. So let's go ahead and go back to the pop-ups. Let's go in here. Let's go to Display. Let's go to Sizing, and let's make that. Let's see. I feel like it's going to be 40. Let's try 40. Refresh this page. Refresh it one more time just in case. Let's try this out. Okay, well that's a little better. So now it's getting there. It's getting closer. So we probably just have to move that to I think 30%. Display, sizing, and unless if you wanted to make the video larger, which you can just make the video larger as well, and I can show you how to do that too. You would have to you'd probably have to grab an embed code, and then you'd have to make the sizing of the video larger, which I can show you too. That's very easy, but let's go ahead and just make this work how it is for now. There we have it. That's pretty good, I would say. So that is how you create a video pop-up using a button. Now let's try to make this video larger. Let's go ahead and go into this video. Instead of grabbing the link this time, let's grab the embed code. Go to Share, go to Embed, copy this embed code, and then let's delete this video. Let's go into the text. Alright, and then let's just adjust this sizing. So let's make this about Actually, you know what? Let's check the sizing on this first, because what if the sizing is already a little bit bigger? So this out. Okay. Let's definitely make the sizing bigger. So we'll make this about 650. And let's put this about 400. Let's update this. Refresh it. Okay. Larger video. Let's go ahead and make this a little interesting. Do 800. And let's leave this at 50. At 450, sorry. And I'm sure you guys can kind of tinker around with the sizing of it. You can kind of get the size that you want. So as you can tell, the reason why it's doing this and the reason why it's still square like this and not anything larger is actually because we need to adjust the sizing here. So we need to go to display, sizing, and we need to make that at 40%. Now once we make that at 40%, there we go. So now we have a larger video. And then we can even make it even larger if you wanted to. So that's totally up to you. I'm just gonna show you guys this real quick, and that will probably be the end of the video. And if I will probably make this a little larger. I'm probably gonna have to make the video a little larger as well. But if it fits, that's fine. You see? Yeah. So what we would have to do is just make the video larger, which you could easily make this way larger, however you want. But I wouldn't do that. I'm just gonna leave it at the sizing at 40% because I thought that was perfect. And there you guys have it. So that is how you create a video pop-up using a button. So I hope this video helped you guys out, and if it did, feel free to subscribe. That will be greatly appreciated, and you can catch the next videos that I upload. So I'm trying to help out as many people as I can. So hopefully this video really helped you out. And that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video.